Today I'm going to tell you about foiling. Let's see. I'm, I'm not sure how this works, so I'm going to try to do a voiceover. I plugged in a Joy machine and there's a little bit of background noise. Sorry about that. And I tried my foil head for the first time. I think you can see that there is tape all around the shiny part of the foil sheet. So after that, I put the tip in my magnetic tool. I had already taken out the regular cutting blade and I just closed it up. And when you touch I'm using Design Space, by the way. I didn't use the Joy app. I did my computer. You just touch the mat and it brings it into the machine. And then it starts cutting. But actually it's just pressing because the blade is out. It's only a pointed edge. So I'm telling it to begin the design I put on Design Space. And the blade area with the new Joy tip starts cutting it out. Now I wish I could have the background noise quiet, but you can sort of hear the machine. So I have a lot to learn about making videos, and I would like to be able to block out that noise completely. I don't know how. So I'm just going to be quiet for a minute while it cuts out this image, or not, I keep saying cut, impresses this image. I did notice on YouTube that you can make the speed go faster for yourself when you're observing it. So feel free to do this. This is about a 5-minute video. Now, why am I even using foil? Well, first of all, I had a special friend that needed a special get well card. So I thought I would try my Joy Foil. This is a Cricut foil. It comes in small 4x6 package, and I'm using a golden, what they call it, rose gold. And you can also get this in 12-inch sheets. And there was one thing that happened, and you'll see it at the end. I had a pause in my internet service. And because of that, my Cricut Design Space closed down. When the Cricut Design Space closed down, I couldn't get the Joy going again. So I ended up removing the paper, and you'll see that, the shiny paper. And when it was finished, I just unplugged the machine, replugged it in, and by then that would take away, or that would make the mat come out again. So I am foiling for one reason. I am trying to decide if I want to get a glimmer foil mist. And I thought before I did that, I should try working with the supplies I had at home first. I have a MIG machine and I have Cricut machines, and both of those can foil and add shine to my layouts and such. So now I just realized I have no connection to Design Space, and I take the time to take the tape off. Now remember, this is the first time I foiled with the Joy, and I found a mistake right away. What is it called? The adhesive on the very gentle adhesive strips, almost like washi tape, left gold on my mat. I don't think that'll hurt the mat at all, but it did make a mess. So next time I think I'll take the time and trim the foil sheets first. When I finished this little blue paper, I cut it into a square and I made a card, and I'll show you the card at the end of this, but I added some rose gold tape from my Close to My Heart stash. So here you can see I can take it off without the mat coming off. And I really did like the end results. The other, if you wanted to add another color foil, you wouldn't take it off. You would just leave the mat and the paper taped down and change the color of the foil. So now I'll show you the finished project. And this shows the card that I made, but it also shows you that there's some leftover foil that it can be used again. So that's it. That's my first try at a voiceover. I'm hoping you enjoy this video and try foiling yourself. Have a great day and God bless.